Good afternoon, Ai.
Yeah.
So today I will teach you about multiplication. So the sign of multiplication is this one, ratio of x. Okay. In multiplying so when you say multiplication, that means a repeated addition. Okay, what's a multiplication? Repeated addition. So, ano yung symbol sa multiplication? This one, letter X. So, it reads as 5 times 3. So, it's very easy. You're just going to use the skip counting method. Okay? So, for example, we have here 5 times 3. You know already how to skip count by 5, right? So, you are going to put 3 in your finger. So, 5 times 3 is 5, 10, 15. So the answer is
15.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. So tell me, will you believe? So tell me, will you believe?
Okay, stand up, ay. Okay, so I want you to solve this one using the skip counting by. Sa gamiton ng mga skip counting look at. Skip counting by 2. Alright, so solve this one. 8 times 2.
8 times 2. 4, 6. 8, 10. 12, 14.
The answer is... Okay, very good. Next, we have here, basahan ko na, Bi.
6 times 2.
Okay, so,
6 times 2. 4, 6, 8, 10. 12.
next, right properly. So we have here, solve, read.
5 times 2.
Okay, so,
5 times 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
okay, 3 times 2, so,
3 times 2. 2, 4, 6.
oh, how did you solve that? Pakita ko na pa. Sige nga ulit. 7 times 2.
7 times 2.
Okay,
2,
sige.
4, 6, 8, 10. 12, 14.
Okay, that's correct.
14.
Solve for 9 times 2. Ready, go.
9 times 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 12, 14, 12, 14, 8. 12, 14, 16, 16, 18.
Okay, how about read?
4 times 2.
Sige, so,
4 times 2. 2, 4 plus 8. Okay.
Okay,
La
next.
la la. 2 times 2 equals 2.
Bila man. Okay, next. 2 times 1. Okay, 10 times 2.
10 times 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 12, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20
So what's the answer?
equals 20.
Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
It's very easy.
Priyanka. Harasa. Annyeong.
Okay, so solve this one. Solve this one. Keep counting by 5 na po. Ready?
Five.
Go. 2 times 5.
5, 10.
Okay, next. 6 times 5.
La la.
Okay, faster.
Isa.
6 times 5.
Isa.
Solve this one.
6 times 5.
Sige, so
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30, 30.
okay, 9 times 5. Sige, 9 times 5.
9 times 5.
So,
Kane? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45.
right properly. Okay, kusog ay. Okay, so 8 times 5. So,
5. 5.
8 times 5. Sige na, go.
Five, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40.
Answer is... Write properly ay...
Okay, the next.
Okay. Next, 7 times 5.
Is that one, ma'am?
You write 7 times 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Solve for 7 times 5.
Five, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35,
35.
50. Wala? Okay.
Okay. Next, 4 times 5.
5, 10. Kabaw ako, 5.
Sige, isolve tarong.
Equals 20.
Ha?
Equals 20. La 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 la.
3 times 5. Go. 3 times 5.
Wala ko.
Okay, right? Write properly, I. Write properly. Hold. Sige. Dalawa ako hold. Okay, next. 1 times 5. Pila.
5.
Very good. How about 5 times 5?
5, 10, 15, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Sakto ka ayaw.
Okay, last. 10 times 5. O, you solve.
Wait.
Sige, 10 times 5.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 35, 40, 45, 50.
Okay, the answer is 50.
Diba ko na? Ay, namulan. Diba ko naman ito sa una. Padala ko pa ibalik.
Write properly, I go. Okay.
Araso! Ano sa'yo, anak? Oma! Opa! Ang sa'yo! Ang
10 times 2. Ready? Solve.
10, 20,
Okay. Okay, very good. Next, 10 times 4. Pila? 10 times 4. Ha? Okay, o sige, you can solve it.
I think a 30.
Oh, sige ko na, big. Go. So, just add 0.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. So, I just add 0 if it's 10 times. Okay. Oh, how about that? 10 times 10. You solve.
Kari kay pa, kari kay 10.
Oh, sige.
Ako na yung nakakalimutan.
So, 10 times 10.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 9, ay, iba ko 100.
10 times 10 is? 1.
1, 0, 0. Duha ka 0.
Yes, 2 zeros. Because as you can see, 1,
Yeah, where did
2.
Huh?
There are 2 zeros. So, 1, 2. That's why it's 100. Okay?
Yes!